So today I'm going to take the Cessna Skyhawk up from Austin-Bergstrom to Taylor. It's 26 miles point to point. Do a little bit of work in the traffic pattern and head on back. Should be a nice easy flight. The winds are calm, sky is clear. Taxi on out and head up to Taylor.
901 Hotel, turn left heading 130, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff.
Reach out top Austin Tower, turn left heading 130, 917 left, cleared for takeoff.
Southwest 4424, affirmative, all amended to now. Was that Cessna 52 Quebec ready to taxi from Atlantic?
Affirm, I'm getting ready to head on out now.
Cessna 52 Quebec, runway 35 right, taxi via Kilo Bravo.
35 right via Kilo Bravo, 52 Quebec.
Ground, Shep 53 at Atlantic, request taxi to 35 right with Sierra.
Shep 53, Austin ground runway 35 right, taxi via Kilo Bravo.
Shep 53, 35 right via Kilo Bravo.
And Shep 53, follow the Cessna dead ahead.
Shep 53.
Ground Southwest 3968, Golf, we're going to 19.
Southwest 3968, Austin ground taxi depart via Golf 2.
Golf 2, Southwest 3968.
Cessna 52 Quebec, we're turning the runway around, turn left on taxiway Bravo, expect runway 17 left.
Left on Bravo for 17 left.
Shep 53, same for you, expect runway 17 left. Turn. Get to it.
Shep 53, expect 17 left.
Ground Southwest 2983.
Southwest 2983 again.
Yeah, we'll be going out on the monkey here shortly, just want to confirm 35 left.
You can expect runway 17 left.
Oh, okay, 17 left, copy, thanks.
Okay, we're in the middle of flow change. When Tango comes out, we'll have all the info on it.
Alright, thanks.
Austin Tower, Skyhawk 715, take it back, holding short, 17 left.
52 Quebec, Austin Tower, roger.
Alpha Tower, Fort Charlie Papa on the ILS 35 right.
This is Fort Charlie Papa, Austin Tower, 35 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 35 right, Fort Charlie Papa.
Quebec, I got a Cessna about a 3-mile final. Once he lands, I'll get you going.
Roger, 52 Quebec.
Touch aircraft, data Tango now current for Austin, landing runway 17 left and right, the altimeter 3012. 52 Quebec, 17 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 17 left, 52 Quebec.
So after finally getting to fly solo, Aaron and I needed to move on to the next part of the training. We decided to fly up to Taylor and move my training to this airport instead of executive.
Who's asking for lower? Southwest 4357.
So it's 45 Papa, left turn Kilo straight in, monitor down for now.
Left turn straight in, monitor ground. Fort Charlie Papa.
So it's 52 Quebec, turn left heading 130, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff.
Left turn 130, 17 left, 52 Quebec, clear for takeoff.
I like flying out of executive because talking to tower is cool and I really enjoy working the radios, but it's been a little bit difficult to get in and out of executive because they have a lot of IFR flights inbound for different events and sometimes they just can't accommodate pattern work. So we started going to Taylor, and this is where Aaron and I decided we were going to do my first airport to airport solo.
753 Austin Tower, turn right heading 230, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff. To Quebec, connect departure suit.
Well, departure, thanks for your help. Have a good day. Austin departure, Skyhawk 715 to Quebec, 1200, climbing 3500 on the 130.
Skyhawk 5 to Quebec, Austin departure. You are radar contact. Maintain VFR at 3000, please. Maintain VFR 3000.
VFR at 3000, 5 to Quebec.
San Antonio approach, Cessna 3918 Romeo, passing 4,200 for 5,000.
Skyhawk 18 Romeo, this is Austin-Bergstrom approach. Austin altimeter is 3012.
3012 for 18 Romeo, thank you.
Skyhawk 5 to Quebec, proceed on course Taylor.
Proceed on course, 5 to Quebec. You want me to keep holding 3000?
I want you to hold 3000 firm. There'll be traffic at King Air below you at 2000, and then traffic off your 1 o'clock out of your turn and 8 miles of 737 descending to 4000.
Alright, proceed on course at 3000, 5 to Quebec.
Southwest 4357, send to maintain 4000.
Number 4, Southwest 4357.
Angel Flight 5709, contact approach 119.0. King Air 0 Foxtrot Charlie fields at your 10 o'clock and 6 miles.
0 Fox Charlie, field flight.
King Air 0 Foxtrot Charlie, cleared visual approach runway 17 left, contact tower 1210.
Clear 17 left, 210, 0 Fox Charlie.
American 15 is cleared direct to UT, descend and maintain 2500.
UT 2500, American 15. American 15 is field flight.
Taylor traffic, Skyhawk 5 to Quebec. We'll be entering 45 for 17, Taylor traffic.
Taylor traffic, 2 Tango Foxtrot left base at runway 14, Carolina.
Huntsville, traffic Cherokee 507, entering the left downwind runway 18 Huntsville. Orlando traffic, Skyhawk 8 Sierra Papa on the upwind leg, climbing to 2,100, entering downwind pattern. Orlando traffic. Taylor traffic, Skyhawk 5 Quebec is in the right downwind for 17.
Orlando traffic, 8 Sierra Papa. We're about 5 miles to the south of the field at 4,500. Leaving the area to Tango East. Atlanta.
Go, traffic, Pacer 251 Papa, 5.5 miles southeast.
Taylor traffic, Skyhawk 5 to Quebec, turning right base 17 Taylor. Vernon traffic, Cessna 77 Foxtrot, departing to the south of Vernon. Taylor traffic, Skyhawk 5 to Quebec, right base 17 Taylor. Taylor traffic, Skyhawk 5 to Quebec, short final 17 Taylor.
Even though the whole point of this thing is to get a pilot's license, it still feels a little bit crazy that someone will let me have the keys to an airplane and fly by myself. It's weird because I've spent the last few months training and working on getting to this point, but every time I get into the plane I still kind of look around and really just have a hard time believing that I'm about to fly an airplane.